Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change background music on Delta Force. First of all, launch Open Delta Force application on your device and wait until you are on the main menu. Now from the home screen, click on Settings at the top right. Inside the settings menu, if you go all the way at the bottom, you will see a background music audio panel. Tap on the three horizontal menu button right next to the playhead and then you will see a playlist on the next page. Go ahead and select one of the playlists and then the music will play on the background. Now you can return to the main home screen and see if the background music is changed. That is how you can easily change the background music in Delta Force. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.